National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Beaver County, southeastern Texas County, northwestern Nickel County, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Optima, or 8 miles east of Guyman, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Hardesty, Bryan's Corner, Adams, and Boyd. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Nickel, Texas.